Hello, Sir Zoilo! Kumusta po? Redmond Toys Raymond here. So, ito sir, testingin na natin sir yung unit na order nyo. The WE M1911 Tactical Airsoft Gas Blowback Pistol. Okay? So, yan sir. Okay. So, ito yung magazine niya. Okay, single stock. Nilagyan ko na siya ng 6 na bala. Okay? Nilagyan ko na rin ng gas. Okay, so testingin natin. So, yan. 0-0. Okay. So, always remember to keep your trigger finger out. Make sure that the muzzle is always pointed at the safe direction. Okay? So, yan. Inserting the magazine. Okay, ayan yung BB. Right, so, firing. 342.1. Medyo nakakabingi. Yeah. Yan sir. 342.1. Okay. Second shot. 338.4. Tapos yung blowback niya malakas naman, no? So, okay naman. Wala pa naman ako napapansin na kakaiba. 334.7. Okay. So, puto ko na ito hanggang sa maubos. 328.6. 320. 314.4. Okay? So, yan. Okay. Blowback. Nag-open chamber siya. Okay? Kasi wala na siyang bala. Removing the magazine. Yan. Okay? So, baba natin, hammer down. Okay? So, ayun sir, okay na itong unit nyo. So, ipa ko na siya para madala ko na siya sa courier. Okay? So, ayun sir, thank you for your order. Until next transaction po, always remember to stay safe, stay great, be good, and be thankful always. God bless po sir. Bye-bye.